Hi everyone. Here I am going to explain about the solving simultaneous equations. Okay, it is belong to the equations lesson in grade 11. It is 13th lesson. Okay, very firstly, look at the board carefully. 2x divided by 3 plus 3y divided by 2. It's equal to minus 1. This is first equation. Okay. This is the second one. 4x minus 5y is equal to 22. Here, this is our simultaneous equation. Okay. Very firstly, I am going to denote as a 1. This is our first equation. As well as this is our second equation. Look at the first one. What happened? It is fraction. This one fraction. This one fraction. Before the calculation, we have to do some extra thing. Now look at the board. From first equation, 2x divided by 3 plus 3y divided by 2 is equal minus 1. Now we have to create common denominator to calculate this part. Look at the board carefully. 4x. How it happened? 2x multiplied by 2. Now divide by 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Why? We have to create common denominator. Now, what happened in this place? 3y multiplied by 3 is 9y. Now, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, we have common denominator. It's one we can write down like this. 9y equal minus 1 brackets 1 over 6. Have you understand? Common denominator I wrote using bracket. Now we can multiply. 6 multiplied by minus 1. Now we can obtain 4x plus 9y equal to minus 6. I denote it as third term. First equation, second equation, as well as third equation. Now I am going to simplify or find out the unknown terms. Okay, I am going to find out the unknown terms values. Okay, now we have 3 equations. We can find out that. Okay, I won't erase this. Okay, I want this one as well as these both equations. Again I will write these. 4x minus 5y equal 22. Second one. So less this one. 4x plus 9y equal minus 6. Okay. Okay, now we can see we have like this 4x as well as 4x. You before the calculate this part, you know very well. It is very essential thing. Okay, you have to develop your calculation part. I mean addition, subtraction, as well as multiplication, division. You have to improve that knowledge, calculation knowledge before this calculation. Okay, now first step I will let us this. First step, by subtracting what part? 3 and 2 equations. Three, two. Now I am going to 3 minus 2. Okay. Now what is the third? No. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Also we can use 3 minus 2. It is not issue. Okay. This is our second equation. 4x minus 5y minus 3 minus. Put the minus as well as write down bracket. This is third equation. 4x plus 9y equal to second equation 22 minus 6 22 minus 6. Okay, now we can obtain this minus multiplied by plus, this 4x minus multiplied by plus, also this minus 9y 22 minus 6 plus 6 minus plus. Okay, this means multiplication. It is 28. Now we can cut off plus 4x minus 4x. Now minus 5y minus 9y, it is 14 minus 14 y equal 28. Okay, now we can divide both sides by minus 14. Now what happens? Now we can obtain very easily y is equal but minus 2. Why? Plus divide by minus. Here I find. Okay, I found about the y value. Okay, I will write it in this minus 2. It is 4. Think fourth equation. Okay, now I am going to erase this case. Now we know y value. Oh, what happened? Now I can find out x value by substitution. Okay. Y equal minus 2, then by substitution. To what? Second equation. Y is equal minus 2. Here this is our second equation. 4x minus 5 multiplied by minus 2y. 5y. 5y means multiplication. Okay. Is equal 22. 22. Now what happened? 4x minus multiplied by minus, it is plus 10 equal 22. Now we can subtract by 10, minus 10, both sides minus 10. Now we can cut off 4x equal to 12. Now we can divide by plus 4. Very easy. Both sides. Okay. What happened? We can cut off. It is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 3. It is fifth term. We can write down like this. Y is equal minus 2. X equal 3. Okay. Okay. Here I already founded about the unknown terms value. If you can think, if you want to know about is founded values are right or wrong, what to do? Look at the board carefully. Write down any equation. I will write 4x minus 5y is equal 22. Now I am going to substitute. Okay. 4, it is 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. 5 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to 22. Now what happened? 4 multiplied by 3, 12 minus, it is minus multiplied by, after that minus multiplied by minus, after we can obtain plus value, we can obtain plus value 22. What happened? This is also equal to 22. Then these unknown values are correct. This is the easy method. Okay, how to solve in simultaneous equations. Okay, I think you can understand very well. Thank you all of you. Okay.